Just as white space is ignored in HTML, it is also not significant in CSS. Now, for example, I can change this to this, and it still means the same thing. White space is mostly for readability. It doesn't really change the meaning of the code. However, you should avoid having white space in the property name or in the elements. So for example, for the property, I shouldn't have white space in between color, font size, or even the values. The same thing goes for H1 and custom style. So if I put a space between H and 1, it becomes something else. So when it comes to the elements or the property names, you should avoid white space. White space changes the whole code and creates an error. But generally, space between, opening and closing brackets and between declarations doesn't have an effect.